Wala pa yung may birthday.
Ay, nakalaga tayo. Wala pang may birthday.
Ba mamaya? Oh, early birds. Walang tao pa.
Ang aga natin.
Kuya, boys versus boys. Sige. Okay. And after yung mag-shake, Jolly Kids, babalik na lang yung basket sa dami. Kaya naman, ready na po ba, Jolly Kids? Ready na, Jolly Kids? Okay, ready na! Muna naman.
Galing naman? Galing naman?
And of course, yung isa naman na ay Pagkading Candy Pop. And naman everyone, please welcome my best friend, your best friend, the one and only Johnny B. Oh, you Okay, kaya naman po, batiin naman po natin si Jollibee at ito rin na pinakamalakas na Hi Jollibee! And Worley! Ayan, and of course, Jollibee at Worley, pakilala ko muna sa iyo ang birthday celebrator natin na si Jacob at yung punong abala na si Mommy and si Daddy. And of course, Mommy and Daddy, picture muna tayo kasama po ni Jollibee and ni Worley. Okay, kaya naman, Jollibee, bigay mo na yung birthday gift mo kay Jacob. Okay, then, ayan. Then, Mommy and Daddy, kindly open na lang po yung birthday gift ni Twirly and ni Jollibee. Ano kayang laman sa loob ng box? Wow, meron kayong limited edition ng ni Jollibee. Dahil gusto ni Jollibee at Twirly gabi-gabi, araw-araw, makakasama nyo silang lumiliwanag. Ay, grabe naman. And of course, Worley, meron ka din pang inanda. Yes, meron kang 3 birthday wish para kay Jacob. Kaya naman, Worley, bigay mo naman na yung first wish mo. Kaya naman, Jacob, sabi ng best friend ko na si Worley na sana lumaki ka. Ano po yan? Matalino. Jacob. And of course, picture taking muna tayo. And again, pinatawag ko muna yung family and relatives po sa side ko na ni Daddy for our first picture taking. Okay, again, yung family and relatives po sa side ni Daddy para po sa ating first picture taking.